What's going on, guys? Hamilton here with the Trading Initiative, back with yet another swing trading idea. Really quick video. I want to get this out right now because time is of the essence. We are looking at Roblox on the weekly. This came up during one of our strategy sessions yesterday night. I think we were looking at it intraday as well. We were originally looking at it on the daily. I'm going to show you what we were originally looking at and then why we pulled it back to the weekly. So we had an original trading idea on Roblox to go long above $48.95, potentially $50 that never ended up manifesting itself. But this does place a horizontal level that gives us the basis for what we think could be a potential cup and handle breakout on the weekly. So horizontal level here, $49, followed by a drawdown over the next few months, which seems insignificant, except for the fact that when we go on to the weekly chart in a second, it will look more or less like a potential cup and handle breakout, okay? But what we're focusing on over the last 2 days is a potential EP. We have 3 setups in TTI. If you're not fully aware, watch the live mentorship video we have on this channel. It's the pinned video on the main page of this channel. It's an hour long. It goes through all 3 setups that we trade all the time. EP, right? It's an episodal pivot. And what we are looking at here is a huge 20% move on Roblox yesterday. A huge gap up off of the close on Friday, up 19-20% on Monday. What we're looking for is a range high break for a potential entry. We got that today. Okay, RSI is above the 50, ADR is 6.75. We are up and over a decent amount of the volume at these price levels. This is something right now that we really like. We were looking to buy on a pullback, and a bunch of us did get filled earlier today on this specific play, and I'm going to show you on the weekly why we're looking at it, and then on the chain as well. All right, so this is an EP play looking for an open range breakout today. We got it. We got the pullback, so we grabbed these at a discount. We are originally targeting this lip of the cup as our first profit target, second profit target up near 65 bucks. When we flip to the weekly, you can see more or less where this cup and handle comes from. Shout out the Driven Trader inside of TTI that actually called out this cup and handle on the weekly. You can see the RSI right now is testing at the 50. That's what we want to see. It's a very obvious downtrend breakout as of yesterday's gap up. You have the cup in this cup and handle. You have the flag off to the right. Beautiful setup here, specifically because if the market does start to turn around, which we're starting to see breadth improve, we would expect Roblox to be able to break this upper lip at $48, $49 and continue on up to potentially the $65 area. So this looks to be like a very nice swing trading opportunity. Now let's go look at the chain. All right, so we got the chain up. There's a couple different things that we can think about. First off, if we're going on the weekly, right, we're thinking about the weekly cup and handle breakout. We're going to probably want to, at the very minimum, go for December's, but realistically, if there's a play for January, let's go out there. For 94 days on the weekly chart, we know we are going to have enough time no matter what. We're either going to be right or we're going to be wrong. Time should not be a part of that factor either way, correct? I think we can all agree on that. Weekly cup and handle breakout. Let's buy some time. 94 days till expiration seems like an okay place to start. All right, so I've already gone through this. I already know which play we are going for, but what we're looking for is to target that $60 to $65 area, and if it happens to match up with that 0.25 delta, which is our sweet spot within our options checklist within TTI, that is going to be an awesome opportunity for us. So just so happens that it is 60, 65 call debit spread right now, going for 75 bucks for max profit of 425. This is over a 5-to-1 setup. We got these at a discount. This was originally trading somewhere upwards of 85 or 90 yesterday, so we are getting a slight discount on the exact same trade idea right now. Roblox is giving you a 5-to-1 setup on the options chain. Plenty of open interest and volume to get long these if you want this much time. I think that's what makes this play so special and so unique. We have 94 days till expiration. Back to TradingView really quick, just so I can show you guys. If we get in, let's go back to the daily because we're going to be buying based off the daily, not necessarily the weekly here. We got the open range breakout. We bought the pullback intraday. We're looking for a potential close around 40. If we get down there, we're going to stop out. We're going to close those contracts. We're going to claw back whatever premium we can still get. There should still be around 50% of the overall premium left on this play because we have plenty of time. Understand that days till expiration, if we have a lot of them, the value of the contracts, if this trade does not work out, is not going to be as decimated as if we went and bought the Novembers or the Decembers, right? So sub 40, we're looking to stop out of this Roblox position as it did not play out the way that we thought. We were originally targeting the $48, $49 area on this breakout of this horizontal level. We would be then positioning ourselves for a potential $65 price target. So once again, this is a 5-to-1 setup. Absolutely awesome opportunity. It's relatively cheap. And listen, man, if the market does start to turn around right now, you are at the very beginning of a potential run in an awesome software name. Thanks for joining me, guys. If there's anything that you would like to know, please leave a comment below, like and sub if you like the content. It really helps out our channel grow, and I'll catch you in the next video.